there's a lot of ways to utilize press releases. We typically write our press releases in-house, and we use a wire surface like PR Newswire to get them blasted out. When you know that you do a big trade show every year, for us, it's HIMSS, we try to arrange our product development announcements around the trade show. We find that those press releases in conjunction with a trade show get a lot of traction. That's not always going to be the case. You don't always have a new product coming out that you want to announce, but we do find that those press releases, those type of press releases, new innovation, new discovery, something new, that gets traction. And our strategy that we've learned utilizing press releases, and by the way, we use them for just about every trade show. Some announcements are bigger than others, but we always try to incorporate a trade show as a press release as part of our trade show strategy. And that's really the pre-trade show strategy. So we may have, in fact, for HIMSS, I think we have 3 press releases that we'll be dropping. We like to do one a week prior to the show, especially or at least 4 or 5 days prior to the show, within a week of the show. For the big trade shows, people are planning their days out. And so they're kind of doing their research ahead of time to see which companies and which exhibitors they want to visit. So we like to get an early press release out that sparks interest for people to make appointments with us pre-show. And then we usually have a press release that drops the day of the show, or maybe the day before the show, another major announcement about, come by the booth to see this new product, that kind of thing. So that's the timing that we utilize with our press release drops. And that's been highly effective for us to drive that initial traffic to the booth, get initial appointments set up prior to the show. We always use press releases as part of our pre-show strategy. A lot of times we'll use the trade show to vet a new product. So maybe a product that's not even in production yet, we'll do an announcement. We have some samples, we get input from the market at the trade show, and then maybe as a result of that input, we expedite the production, or maybe we shelve it. So the trade shows can really be great for product development, getting input from the market. And so regardless of the stage that the new product is in, we're trying to make that announcement around the trade show. Sometimes it works out great that the products hit the shelves. Sometimes we just have some samples. Sometimes it's completely vaporware, and it may not even materialize from that point, depending on the feedback we get from the trade show.